कान में बता दो ना क्या है।
नहीं.
I just hate you so much. I can't tell you. It is cheese flavored, so you got
It's
that
very
wrong.
very interesting.
Oh my god! Hi guys. So today Ankit and I
Hi.
are going to do a blind taste test. We have picked out 5 healthy snacks each, एक दूसरे के लिए, और basically हम एक दूसरे को alternatively snacks देंगे and the other person has to guess कि वो snack क्या है. End में जो loser होगा उसको एक punishment मिलेगा.
खैर अभी देखेंगे कौन लूजर होगा.
I'm sure कि I will win. बट वो पनिशमेंट हम एंड में देखेंगे कि क्या होगा. बट मोर इम्पोर्टेंटली वो जो स्नैक होगा उसको हम दोनों टेस्ट करेंगे एंड वील आल्सो रेट इट ऑन अ स्केल ऑफ 1 to 10, 10 being the highest. So I'm pretty excited about this. We are doing this challenge for the first time. So let's begin. Doesn't he look adorable, guys?
Yes, so I really can't say anything right now.
So I'm picking out my first packet. Okay, you can see what it is. Obviously he can't. And
Hello. It seems that Rumi has come to taste test for the first item very very clearly.
so you can smell it. And so you have to guess what the snack is and what's it made of.
Can you give me one more?
ऐसे ही सारा नाश्ता मत खत्म करो.
अभी क्या करें? It's definitely a chip of some type or a crisp of some type. चटपटा flavor है, so it looks definitely like an Indian flavor या पानी पूरी type या ऐसा कुछ flavor है ये. On a flavor perspective, I think it's good. I wouldn't say it's great.
But what is it? किस चीज का चिप है, किस चीज का क्रिस्प है, and what is the flavor?
So it's definitely an Indian masala flavor or a pani puri flavor. I think it is made up of chickpeas. That's what I'm feeling. I think it's made up of chickpeas.
Okay, and what about the flavor?
It's chaat masala or something. Chaat masala to pani puri masala.
Okay, so now you can open your blindfold.
Okay. Let me put on my specs so I can see first.
So
what
you
is it?
clearly lost this round. It is chickpea chips.
Oh, okay.
But it's garlic and herb. It's not some masala or Indian masala. पानी पूरी flavor. कौन से पानी पूरी में garlic और herb का taste होता है, guys?
But you should taste it. See, I got the chickpea bit right, so why don't you taste it and see? It doesn't have a garlicky flavor.
It has a garlicky flavor.
It does not.
No.
No, it does not have a
So
garlicky
this
flavor.
is 0 points to Ankit. This is,
But
guys,
see, I got the chickpea right, so I should get half a point.
this is Naach ka chickpea pop chips, garlic and herb flavor, and you have got 0. Or you can, I don't know, half a point दे सकते हैं क्या?
I got
ठीक है,
the
आधा
point.
point देते हैं. Half a point is what he gets, and flavor you didn't get right. And on taste, what will you rate it?
I think I'm gonna rate it 7 of 10. I don't think I can go higher because it really does. It's not something special.
मतलब the fact that it's a healthy snack, I'm going to give it an 8. मतलब healthy भी है यार. Like I think थोड़ा
So we average it out to 7.5.
7 नहीं आधा नहीं करते हैं. तो you are saying 7, I'm saying 8, right?
We need to give one standard rating, right?
So
So that's 7 on 10.
7 is the rating.
Time for your snack.
Moment of
Do you want to
truth.
keep this?
Yes, my win. Half a win. Moment of truth.
Moment of truth.
I know
Let's
I'm
see.
going to win it, okay? I'm very confident. Isn't mine cooler? I really
So-
like mine.
Yeah, this is very very cute.
Yeah.
So this is what it is. This is very very interesting. It's a flavor that will be very very interesting to taste. So let me give you the first.
It's like we're playing some kinky games in the camera, in front of the camera.
So I'm going to let you smell the pack and give you an advantage.
सरसों की तेल की smell आ रही है.
Do you want more?
I'll do.
Here you go.
Yummy. What is this? ये सच में healthy है?
ये कुछ ज़्यादा ही हेल्दी है.
Okay.
This is actually very very good.
I feel that this is like a jackfruit or a banana chip. Is it jackfruit?
No, you can have 2 more rice.
Is it banana?
Nope.
Shakti do. Is it like ragi?
No. You want to take off your mask and check out what it is?
Flavor, I think, is just salt and like that's
Nope.
it.
So this is Jawai's Red Dragon fruit chip. It's made with the juice of a red dragon.
What is a red dragon?
Red dragon is a fruit.
Oh. It's actually made of red dragon fruit juice, guys. But इसमें cornflower है. तभी इतना अच्छा है.
But this is very good, right? So what do you rate it?
I think I rate it like a 9.
I'm actually confused if you need to rate it 10 or 9.
I think let's go with 9.
I think let's go with 9.
9.
But yeah, this is something we definitely would recommend. Yeah?
Yeah, it's gluten free and it's got no palm oil.
It's a local brand. It's called Jawai. They have a website called jawai.in, so you can check that out.
Just so you know, this is not a sponsored video. ये सारे snacks हमने अपने पैसों से खरीदे हैं
और randomly अलग-अलग जाके खरीदे हैं.
और GST VST भर के खरीदे हैं, okay?
So this is Jawai का Red Dragon fruit chips. Moving on to the next one.
So you got half a point. Ankit is at half a point now and I'm at 0. So yeah, let's move on to the next
things are
one.
looking great.
We'll see, we'll see.
Let me just put down the blindfold.
Yeah. Okay. So we have this, guys. Obviously Ankit can't see it, but you can. It's quite interesting. And let's see if he can guess what it is. Okay. You can take some more from the bag.
Oh, it's got a hint of hit at the end.
टड़ंग टड़ंग टड़ंग. क्या अंकित बता पाएगा कि ये कौन सा
Is
snack
this a
है?
chili flavored? Is it a millet chili flavored chip?
Okay. Chili is correct. So there you get half a point more. So you're at 1 point. When you say millet flavor, I think
Do you want me to tell you the flavor? Millet.
no. I think it's millet ka bhai.
Is it a ragi flavored chip?
Incorrect.
Is it jawar?
No.
Okay, I give up.
It
What is it?
Quinoa.
Oh, this
It
is the
is-
Firangi millet.
It is a millet का महंगा cousin.
It is
You know
a
जो
Firangi.
NRI cousin होता है millet का. वो
Very,
है
very
ये.
interesting. This is.
Yeah.
What flavor was this? It's mild chili.
Yeah.
So, okay.
So you got half a point there. So you got 1 point now total. Those
Did you have it?
snacks
What do you
मिला
think of it?
के. No, I haven't had it. Oh my god,
This is nice.
it's really nice.
It doesn't have the crispiness of the last one though.
Made by Grainstorm. And what rating do you want to give it? I can give it a 9.
I would give it a 7 to be very honest.
Really?
And the reason for that is everything is working for me. The groundnut oil is giving a very sour taste on my tongue palate. That for me is the
ये
problem.
ना मतलब MasterChef judges के बाद यही आए हैं.
अब क्या करें?
So you're saying 7, I'm saying 9.
वो
Let's
ये
average it
तुम्हारे गांव
out.
का मैन्युफैक्चरर है.
It's from Pune?
It's from Pune.
Yay! I am giving it a 9, guys. Pune people.
अच्छा, so let's
Average it.
Average it at 8.
8 is good. 8 is good.
Great.
Okay, now my turn. Let me try the other eye. Like clearly this one eye was not working for
I
me.
think you need to have both the eyes open. Maybe that will get you some points.
Let me try that actually. Shayad like I'll get both this thing. By the way, these masks are really cute. I really like them.
Yeah, they're fun. Okay, now this will be very, very interesting. This I think you'll be able to guess.
I hope so. Again, Shakti.
Do you want to smell?
I can just get oil and like some masala.
Here, give me your hand.
Chana.
Well, you got that right.
Hmm.
Don't
Is this peri peri?
No.
Garlic?
No. Yeah, taste a bit more. It's a very, very interesting flavor. It's a flavor that I generally would never recommend to anyone.
Oh.
But surprisingly, I am liking what it is. Well, this also does have a very oil aftertaste after you're done.
Is it honey?
No, then you can take off your mask. You've got half a point.
Okay.
So this is Happy Loka Terrific Tomato Chickpeas.
Oh.
So you came very close with the piri piri in a way.
Nice packaging also.
The thing is, I think they've sweetened it too much to not have the tomatoiness of it really come out.
It has no onion, no garlic. Jain people can eat it.
But this is the good part, right? It's got no cholesterol, no trans fat.
No MSG. Guys, I like MSG. I'm an Uncle Roger follower.
Well, So yeah, Happy Low, tomato chickpeas.
What do you want to rate it?
I'm at 6 to be very honest.
I mean, yeah, I mean, it's
nothing out of the
great.
box.
Yeah, I'll go with 6 as well. Yeah.
So this is 6. As of now, the points tally stands at 1.
1.5. This is
1 to half.
हो जाएगा कवर अप. अभी स्नैक्स बचे हैं. हो जाएगा. मन में है विश्वास.
चलो. The cat is out to play again.
Let me give you an easy one.
Yeah, I don't think you made it easy for me.
Super easy. Okay. You guys have seen it. You know it's easy. Okay. Sung lo pehle.
Okay.
And Rumi
Rumi
has
clearly
also...
is very interested.
Rumi,
Can you give me a chip?
Sure. Put out your hand like this. Here.
Okay.
Hey, you have to taste first, then she'll tell you what flavor it is. This is cheating.
Okay. Rumi has not approved this. So can you give me some? Oh. There is chana for sure. There's one more, something else. You need to give me the pack.
Sure.
This is chana. This is like chana, not chole wala chana.
Genius, genius.
This is chana. This is piri piri chana.
No.
No.
You get 2 more guesses.
This is sweet chili chana.
No. Again wrong.
Why is it sweet?
बस यही करके खत्म कर लूँ. अभी थोड़ी देर में पैकेट खत्म हो जाएगा and he will be like, why is it sweet? Why is it salty?
Is this garlic?
No. Again wrong. Yes, take it off.
I need to wear my specs. Oh, it's cheese. Who would have guessed?
Exactly.
This was very, very interesting.
Cheese flavor and Rumi is clearly very, very interested. Do you want to just like...
No,
give her
Rumi
some?
wants the eye mask right now. This is very, very interesting. Chanas.
So this is Dhananjay ka chanas. It is cheese flavored. So you got
It's
that
very,
wrong.
very interesting.
Oh my god! So this is Dhananjay ka chanas.
This is
It
very, very interesting. It's kind of irresistible.
You have been eating this. आधा पैकेट खत्म हो गया already. It is Dhananjay ka chanas,
But did you
cheese
taste it?
flavored. No, I haven't tasted it.
Let me tell you what you think. I would never in a million years would have guessed it's cheese flavored.
I mean, I think it's pretty obvious that it's cheese. I mean,
See, I'm used to eating good cheese and fresh cheese and not cheese powder, so.
no, but I mean, I think
But the crux of the matter is.
the thing is that you don't relate cheese flavor to chana, which is why I don't think you guessed it. But I think it's pretty pronounced when you
Correct.
think about it.
Correct. Ultimately, the work or the truth is,
That you
one
got
and
half. You got
I'm
half a
one and
point.
points.
1.5 points.
And you're at half a point.
Yeah, so it's just 1 point to cover. Yeah, इतना क्या उड़ रहे हो तुम?
Shall we move on to the next?
No, we have to give it a rating.
Oh yes, I forgot. What do you think?
I don't think it's worth more than a 6 because in all fairness, I mean it's a great flavor and all, and you know chana, it's unique that it's cheese chana. So that I'll give, but for me it's a 6.
I know where you're coming from.
Hmm.
I think I agree with you. It's a 6. Interestingly, there is one very interesting thing. This has whey powder in it.
Oh, so it's got more protein than a
So
regular
it's got
chana.
more protein than regular chana.
Yeah.
So according to, so this has got 13, almost 13.5 grams of protein per 100 grams. So that's a good protein hit for all the people who, like working out and all. And who just don't want to have plain chana.
I mean, in all fairness, it does have cheese powder, and salt and stuff. But yeah, I mean, it's still a healthy snack.
It's a good healthy snack.
Yeah.
Let's move on to the next one.
Yeah.
I have something really good up my sleeve now.
I really hope that you give me something where I get a point, yeah. I'm not asking, I'm just saying that it'll be nice.
So let's give you something that's actually pretty simple.
दोनों आंखें खुली हैं मेरी.
एकदम सिंपल आइटम है ये. सबने खाई है. ठीक है.
Don't try to throw me off. You think I don't know what you're doing?
Here you go.
What?
You wanna smell the pack? What do you think? Oh, I love the crispiness.
Tapioca?
Nope. Think very common.
Is it jawar?
No. Very, very common. That's the biggest hint that you can have. हम करने से कुछ नहीं होगा, बताओ क्या?
थोड़ा खिलाओ तो सही. This feels like a tomato flavor. Is it a tomato flavor?
No, I think you should take off your mask now.
Arey, I've not even guessed the third guess.
Tomato flavor, if you're saying that means it's the third guess.
Arey, but that's the flavor, not just the thing.
Okay, tell me what the thing is then.
Ragi?
No. It's the simplest of things. I told you it's one of the most common snacks.
Talak.
Here, in government outlook here.
Flavor क्या है? There is no flavor.
It's a standard flavor of regular soya chips.
Okay. Soya chips, guys.
Local, good
Please
to go.
just pick more
Soya
difficult
chips.
snacks. It's just more difficult.
So you're telling
Common बोलने से you can't throw me off like that.
you're
It's not
telling
common.
me chana with cheese flavor is common and easy.
Okay, how much do you rate it? To be honest, for me it's a 7.
You see, I love the crunchiness of it, to be very honest, and that gives it a good 8 for me.
So 7?
I
We
think
are going for the no, but we are going for the lower rating, right?
okay, so 7. Rumi has come to taste 1, so let's give her.
You like? By the way, don't give soya to dogs, okay? They scratch.
Yeah. So this is Rumi approved.
This is Rumi approved, so that because everything crispy she likes.
So should we round it off at 8 now?
No, 7. अरे क्या तुम्हें कमीशन मिल रहा है क्या? Guys, again, this video is not
Not sponsored
sponsored.
at all.
अगर किसी ने उसको साइड में कमीशन दिया तो I don't know, but it's not sponsored in my knowledge.
So we are down 3 snacks each. We are at
I think I have done only 2.
okay if you say so. So we are down 3 snacks each. We are at I'm at 1.5,
And I'm at half.
and we have 2 more to go, right?
Yes.
So let's see. Maybe tables can turn around.
Okay, this is the snack, guys.
Okay. That sounds
Like glass.
yeah.
You want to smell the pack?
Sure. Oh, that's like oil kit and how?
Here.
I hate this.
Healthy snacks में तो यही होगा ना?
This is a jackfruit based chip.
Yeah, you're right.
Like the flavor of the jackfruit is so strong.
Yeah, you're right.
I don't think it has a flavor. It's just a jackfruit chip.
I hate you. Yeah, you're right.
Yes. This is like eating dessert, just so you know.
Yeah?
Yeah. So this is Super Munchies ka
Oh.
jackfruit chip. It's literally made out of a jackfruit. Can you see this?
Oh my god, it's delicious.
It is. It is actually just. I don't know how they've done it. They've taken jackfruit, like फनस जिसको बोलते हैं, जो मीठा वाला मिलता है मार्केट में. उसको सिर्फ उन्होंने डिहाइड्रेट करके चिप बनाया है और कुछ नहीं किया है इसमें.
And it's so crunchy. I can can you hear the crunch?
Yeah.
कितने का है ये?
This is $100 for 50 grams.
Not bad, yeah. This is a great snack.
This is a great snack.
Mm.
Look at the ingredients. It's 95% jackfruit
Oh,
and refined rice bran oil. That's it.
I have to give this a 10. What do you think?
Yeah, I agree with you. This definitely is a 10.
This is a winner.
And
What is
it has
that?
to be a winner. Come on. I guessed it right. Like how?
No, that's not bad. Super munchies. Very well done.
Yeah, bravo.
Ta-dang, ta-dang, ta-dang. What am I doing? I'm not Charlie's Angel.
So,
You better give me an easy one, yeah. You've
This-
given me very difficult ones.
this should be easy for her. Okay, I'm gonna give you a massive hint for
No,
this one.
no, you throw me off. You don't give me massive hints.
Okay.
It's a common snack. अरे common तो potato chip भी होता है ना.
You wanna smell it?
You're being kinky, baby. Okay. No. Okay. Mm.
Do you want more?
Mm.
Personally, this is something I don't like.
Okay, give me a massive hint.
It's made out of something. It is made out of something that I really don't like. And you really, really like. It's a vegetable. Let me give it to you that way. This you have to guess. And you know, honest, I don't like it. And like with the aftertaste and with what it is, I can guess what it is.
Bindi.
Yes.
Yummy. Masala. Can I take it off?
It's not masala, but it's bindi. Yes. It is
Yeah.
masala bindi, but
Piri piri.
no. But I
Jeera hing jeera.
no. It's got another. It's a herb that is flavored with.
Pudina.
Very close.
धनिया.
Dhania. Coriander
Dhania?
flavored, yeah.
भिंडी में धनिया पर डालता है. But very very interesting, huh? Like for me. ये 1 point, 1.5 ना?
No, dhania was something that you guessed because I told you.
No. Shut up. This is 1.5. 1.5 point I have.
So I'm not a bindi lover at all. I like hate bindi with a passion. Surprisingly in this form, right? This is good bindi.
50% less oil than regular chips, gluten-free and high nutrient content.
But tell me this, I've heard a lot that people eat a lot of kurkuri bindi, right?
This is TBH, to be honest, crunchies ka spiced okra with coriander.
So a lot of people love to eat kurkuri bindi, correct? How does this compare to that?
See, obviously that is fresh, but like it looks like actual bhindi.
Because it's actual bindi.
I mean, it's better than kurkuri bhindi. I mean, in the sense that kurkuri bhindi you put besan and all that. This is just vacuum dried, so it doesn't have any of that other stuff. But it's extremely crunchy. I mean,
Yeah, it's
I would love to
extremely
have this with dal chawal. You know, I would eat this with dal chawal. What do you want to rate it? But you don't like bhindi, so I don't think your rating counts.
I would still easily give it an 8 because I ate bindi. Like I had 2 pieces. And it is intriguing enough that, as you said, like it would go great with dal chawal.
I think for
I
me
think,
also
yeah.
it's an 8.
I think it's an 8.
Yeah.
It's definitely an 8.
It's an 8 for me as well.
So we have one
Snack left.
snack left. We are
Moment
at
of truth.
2.5 and 1.5.
Yes.
So either you,
It's going to be either this way or that way.
I think it's going to be a tie or I'll win. That's the best that can happen, right?
I really think that I can still win.
How?
I don't know.
So at least what I know is I'm safe from the punishment. It's as simple as that.
Yeah, like let's see if you get the right last one. It's just, you know, इससे पहले ना मैंने chips खाए थे. I think my palate was not properly cleansed.
हाँ सब हारने वाले लोग यही बोलते हैं.
Okay, this is the last one for Ankit. You can see the flavor. You can see what it was. I think I should have picked more difficult snacks. I just feel that I gave you very easy stuff.
Maybe because my palate is far more evolved.
Sure, why not? Let's call it that.
Or maybe because I snack more as compared to you do. Okay.
Are you smelling outside the packet? Okay.
Oh, very interesting.
Yeah.
These are Ragi or Jawar.
I just hate you so much. I can't tell you.
Am I right?
Yeah, but what's the flavor?
That I'm confused on, honestly. Is it simply salted?
So clearly, you snack a lot, but you don't know much about flavors.
The thing is, it's very, very subtle.
Can you try?
It's very, very subtle for you to tell the flavor. Like, all I can tell is a bit of spice. So, is it mildly spiced?
I think the flavor is very clear. Is your nose not working or something?
No.
So you get half a point. Let's leave it at that.
Okay. Oh, it's hing jeera. Oh, I thought that would not be a flavor because that generally is used to make the.
I mean, you can get hing so much. To be honest, it's a little not pleasant.
Yeah, it's like throwing you off.
Yeah.
I know what you mean.
So this ragi chip,
But this also has a very, very pronounced oil texture to it.
yeah, it is a little feeling a little oily.
Yeah.
Life, a home alone brand, ragi chips Sinjira.
How much is this for?
It's for 65 bucks for 100 grams.
That's not bad.
Yeah. It's ragi flour and made of urad dal flour.
Oh, interesting.
Yeah.
Very interesting.
They haven't said what the spices are. But I guess Sinjira.
Hing jeera. What do you rate it?
I like it. In fact, in all the snacks that we've had, this is by far the lowest.
So what are we rating it at?
Like, I'm good with like 5.
I'm also good with like 5 actually.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is not like
It's
not
too
giving-
oily.
Yeah, it's not giving a very pleasant aftertaste on your palate.
Yeah. It's got
That's-
a very oily after.
Yeah, it's got a very oily aftertaste.
Yeah.
So, in conclusion, I've won
No, hold on. Why?
3, 2.5, and I got half a point for guessing the product.
No, so you got 3.
You are at
Fine.
1.5. You can't win possibly more than 1.
Let's try. Okay, give me a chance for a bonus. Let's do one. And then if I guess very correctly, very fast,
Okay.
then that I can get a
Okay,
bonus.
let's see where the train goes. Let's see where the train goes.
Okay, I'm ready.
So this is the product.
I just think you picked like very difficult things, you know, Ankit, because I love you. I have picked things that you will be able to guess.
I know, yeah. Sympathy, this is not gonna get you points.
This is not sympathy, this is just love.
Yeah, do you wanna smell?
Okay. Why does everything smell of oil?
Yeah. What do you think?
बाद में बता दो क्या?
So if you guess the product and the flavor in the first go, you get 1.5.
Was it flavored tomato?
No. Do you want to take a turn? See, you clearly lost.
Beetroot chips!
I knew
You
this would be
just,
fun.
I mean, you just got the most difficult. Who could think that this is
But
beetroot?
these are good chips.
Health Delicious ka beetroot chips. Masala flavored. Hey, listen, masala I could have guessed, okay? It's
But
very
you didn't
easy.
guess.
I didn't guess it because it had a more tomatoey flavor. Like,
But it does not have.
their masala has tomato. I'm telling you, if I get that, then I have to get half a point. Tapioca starch. See, I was guessing tapioca
No, you didn't get it.
in my mind.
Oh, that is not the product. A lot of kids and all don't want to eat beetroot, right?
Yeah.
All these snacks that we've had, like the jackfruit one, or this, all of these, all the Red Dragon ones, these are great for kids, right? If you want them to be on a healthy snacking trip.
My only thing is, you know, with this, like for example, so the first ingredient in any ingredient label is for the quantity, the maximum quantity to ingredient hota hai. So there's a good amount of beetroot in this. The first ingredient is beetroot, but then there's urad dal flavor.
Which is also good,
Dal.
right?
Which is also good. I mean, it has protein.
Yeah.
It's dal after all. Tapioca, starch, rice flour. All of this is carbs, but I mean, what I would want to know is that in terms of like carb to like fiber ratio, what is the breakup, but to be honest, it tastes like a normal chip.
Yeah, where I'm coming from, right, is if you want to have a healthy snack, would you rather eat regular chips which are made in palm oil, or would you want to go for this?
Oh, it's marketed by Pune people, but it's manufactured in Delhi.
So, okay. So all I'm saying is from a snacking perspective, I think these are all good products.
Like, to be honest, what would you rate it? Like, I mean,
I love beetroot. You know that. So, and this is very light to eat. Like from all the chips that we've eaten so far, this is a very, very light chip to eat. I'm at a 9 for this.
To be honest, for me, it's an 8. Definitely not more than that. I'll tell you why. Because I don't think, like, other than the color, there's anything beetrooty about it. I know that that's a good thing for you, probably.
Actually, I disagree because when I eat it, right, I get the beetroot. ASAP.
So since you're the winner of this taste test, it's clear that maybe you have better taste.
Clearly, I chose you right.
No, not taste. Yeah, sure. Thank you. But better taste buds.
Yeah. So, yeah, what do we round this at? So, 8?
8, I think, yeah. See, to be honest, the products that we've given 9 to, they're far better than this. So, like, keeping that in mind, I would give this an 8.
Fair enough.
Yeah.
So
the clear winner in terms of snack is obviously the jackfruit chip.
yeah, that's the only one that we gave a 10.
Yeah, and you know the beauty of it is that it had absolutely no other ingredients and it was still so delicious.
Yeah, I think that is what won it over because they didn't overthink the product.
And even the flavor, like I was amazed at how sweet that chip was.
That was a brilliant chip.
I mean, I would love to give it to kids
like, yeah,
and have it myself.
It's a snack that I would recommend to everyone. So anyways, the tally is 3 to 1.5.
Yeah.
Clearly there's a winner by a long shot. But since this is the first episode, let's make it better.
What?
Let's skip the punishment.
No,
I'm gonna give you a chance to redeem yourself. Okay? Next episode that we do, right? I'm gonna give you an advantage as well. So that you can come back and maybe beat me.
No.
But
Okay.
if you still lose, your punishment will be double.
Guys, we love snacking. Doctor and other people tell us we should snack healthy. We've really enjoyed this light tasting.
Doctors tell us not to snack. Doctors tell us there is no dictionary or no word for us that has the word snack in it.
No, that's not true. No, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. मतलब we love to eat and you know we are eating like in front of the camera for the first time and we really enjoyed doing this, you know, trying healthy snacks for you guys.
Yeah, we should definitely do this far more often.
Yeah, so we want to do more blind taste tests. So if you like this, you know, video, just share it with your friends and like it and subscribe to the channel.
That too. Also, if you have any recommendations on what we should try next,
yeah,
what we're gonna do is we'll put our Instagram handles in the description.
Yeah.
You can maybe message us and say that okay, you know, try this snack.
No, just put it in the comments below.
But then you would know, I would know what the snack is, right? So.
But you're just putting it. Listen, just put it in the comments below.
Okay, just put it in the comments below.
Okay.
Basically, just let us know what you think we should try on next.
Yeah.
And we will be back again next week for the same video.
Yeah, and next time, like, please, like, try. Like, I gave you very easy ones. Just give me something easy.
We'll see.
Okay. But I'm not going to take the punishment. Bye.
Okay. Bye guys. See you next time.
See you next time.